We have a really great question here from Dogan, which is, how do I connect my new one-click website to an existing hosting and domain? Now, there's lots of different situations you can get into with this, whether you're hosting directly on one-click website, GoDaddy, Go High Level, or your own VPS if you're advanced. But Dogan has been trying to connect the hosting through WordPress and one-click website, but there seems to be no other option to do it except for the $10 a month one-click own hosting. So he's asking here, how do I connect a website made by one-click to my already bought hosting and domain in GoDaddy? Okay, so before we go into this, I'm gonna assume that at this point you've been in one-click website and you've exported your WordPress file already with the all-in-one WordPress downloader. If you haven't, no worries. I'm literally just gonna go into that site live on screen and show you exactly how to do that. So once that is done, once we've got a WordPress file, which is our WordPress just in a file, we're going to go here. So do we already have a WordPress site in GoDaddy? Absolutely yes. Is it okay to replace the WordPress site? Looks like it is. So we're going to go down here. Now, all we need to do is we need to firstly back up the old site just in case something goes wrong. We then need to install the all-in-one WordPress migration plugin and import that file with all of the WordPress information on. And then finally, after that, we just need to save the permalinks and update the keys and the activation codes you have for all of the premium plugins that you get from the one-click website plan. That's security, that is the flying press, everything like that, slim SEO. Make sure they're all updated and saved, and then that is pretty much done. It is all going to be brand new on your existing hosting and just ready to go. Now, if you're in any other situation and you want to know what to do next, just follow this process flow in front of you. So if you don't have a GoDaddy already, then you would obviously have to set up WordPress hosting on GoDaddy, go through that process. I'm going to show you what that looks like as well. So what is one-click website? One-click website is a site where you go make a website in one click. It gives you an SEO optimized WordPress website for yourself or any other clients. And what this does is it just hosts this live on WordPress. It isn't some random thing that's just on base 44 or it's vibe coded. It's none of that. This is a very robust, very easily transferable site, which is why doing it like this is an absolute dream, because it just is so easy. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to our plugins on our WordPress dashboard. This is from your one-click website. You can just go to the WP admin. We then want to do add plugin in the top up here. Then we want to go down here and we want to write all-in-one. Perfect. Okay, then we just want to install this, which is your all-in-one WP migration and backup. Then once it's installed, you just need to click activate. Okay, perfect. And now you just want to go down here on the left-hand side to all-in-one WP migration. So because we are on our original WordPress site and we want to package it so we can send it to another WordPress site, we need to go here to export. Great. And then we just click here, we do export site to, and we just click file. It is then going to prepare everything on your WordPress site, absolutely everything, even optimized images. It's going to package it all up, ready to transfer to a brand new WordPress site. And then once this is done, it's going to give you a nice green button. You just click to download. It'll take, depending on your internet, 2 to 5, 20 minutes sometimes to download this file, or sometimes it can be pretty big. Okay, there we go. And then you just want to click this, download it, and it will just download from your browser onto your normal downloads folder. Now, what would happen in the situation where you don't already have a GoDaddy set up, you don't already have something on the other side ready for this WordPress website? You can either host this in Go High Level directly. I believe it's $10 a month to host it there. You can obviously host it with one-click website for $10 a month, or you can host it on your own VPS, which is really appropriate if you have, 10, 20, 50, 100 plus websites, because it brings that cost way, way down, much further than a Go High Level package plan would. So it's very easy to set up a WordPress site from GoDaddy. All you would do is follow the setup wizard, and that is just going to take you here. Create a stunning WordPress site, no technical skills needed, and you can host it on WordPress Basic for $3.99, which is very great for the first year, and then $11.99 for every year after that. So all you would do is click buy now, and then GoDaddy is going to give you a basic WordPress website. So what we're going to go back to is a situation where we have the website already in GoDaddy. It's all loaded up. We've got on the WordPress dashboard. It's most likely going to be blank. There's probably not going to be anything here. So all you need to do is go to the plugins again on this brand new WordPress website. You want to add plugins, and you want to search again for the all-in-one WordPress migration tool, and then you're just going to install and activate it. Once that is activated on the new WordPress, which is in your case, Dogan, going to be on GoDaddy, you want to come down to here to all-in-one WordPress migration and click import. There we go. And then all we want to do is import from file, and that is it. It is going to import it from the file that you just downloaded onto your PC. So just click file, click the file you just downloaded. It's going to bring it in. Sometimes this does take like 30, 45 minutes. So just get this running, go away and have a coffee. If it looks like the progress bar has just stopped, it is working on the background in the database, and it will tell you when it's finished. Are you sure you want to do this? Just click yes, and then it's all updated. And then all you need to do is really just follow any warnings that come up in the top of WordPress, like activate your license or update your permalinks, and it'll take you through everything really, really nice and easily. So that is it. That is how you take a WordPress website built by one-click website, export it using all-in-one WordPress migration, go to the brand new site wherever you've got it, VPS, GoDaddy, Squarespace, wherever it is, and just import that new file. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comments down below, or if you're watching this in the community, whether you're Dogan, anyone else, just let me know and I'll help you out.